Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Kaizer Chiefs leader i-Orbit College 1-0 ziya ku-half time. So i-reaction yami ukuthi ngiyibone kanjani igame la half time or noma ngithi first half. uVelebay simbonile enza ama-good runs, he was comfortable on the ball, and the coolest thing about yena uVelebay ukuthi uyaphasa. So he's a good addition to i-Kaizer Chiefs. For the first time bafethu ngibona i-Kaizer Chiefs ilokhu isquare amabhola, zithe zisuka nje uVelebay he took defenders on, wasquare ibhola and then kwaba i-corner kick. I-Orbit College-ke sibonile ukuthi immediately after lokho ishuthile laphana, ithola opportunity yashaya uPeterson ku-good form, wakwazi ukuliseva lela bhola lela, but it was a great shot. Then after lapho-ke Kaizer Chiefs ba-connecta kahle kakhulu, uShabalala i-good goal, but-ke i-move iqala uVilakazi bafethu. A good pass from uVilakazi to uThabiso Munyane. Thabiso Munyane kula side lela bafethu wenze ibukwayo ngempela, wakwazi ukusquare ibhola lathola uShabalala walishaya kahle ibhola egoal. I-movement yakhe laphana uMunyane ibaluleke kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Siyazi ukuthi uhlakaniphile in terms of speed, laphana ukuya phambili, ama-assist. I was expecting ukuthi vele uzoya phambili kakhulu since Orbit College ingeke ibanike inkinga that much. So that's what happened leading up to i-goal le-Kaizer Chiefs. I saw ukunika bam-penalize abafethu ngento engekho. Bad decision from uRevli laphana, bajaja i-free kick engekho bafethu. That could have easily been converted, maybe create ama-problems for i-Kaizer Chiefs. AboRevli bafethu kumele babheke kahle, bekungasiyi-foul leya nto leyo. uVelebay futhi simbonile laphana azama cross ibhola again, but guess what, uIgadaro he was moving khona le counter attack la iKaizer Chiefs ethola ibhola khona uVelebay. Poor decision making, noma ngithi bad decision making for uVelebay because of beka undecided, but otherwise ube ne good first half umfana. Once waba comfortable, ngoba ngiyabona nama-fans ayamfavor, kuba nebuzz serious around yena laphana uVelebay mebamba ibhola because of une-speed, is electrifying. Into engiyithandayo ukuthi khona nala a good ball, yazi uVelebay khona lapha asekhona usesayidini lakhe, uphase iGadaro walitrap ibhola, ngithi uzoshaya mina ngoba ulapha vele outside, just outside the 18, but-ke too many touches, wafuna ukulibamba yale nale. Poor decision from iGadaro, but-ke they are lively. I really liked watching them laphana first half. uCele, the less said about uCele the better. Angazi ukuthi uCele bafethu uluze ibhola kangaki first half. I think ngibale 3 or 4 times khona la uyiliphethe ibhola, uphasa, ufuna ukwenza i-fancy pass, kunama-players wakhe around yena bafethu awu-3 or awu-4, kumele nje athi short pass, but ufuna ukuswitch ibhola, uliswitcha futhi lihamba phansi. Guess what, la bhola lela bavele balithatha bashaya counter attack fast. Orbit College like enough yasurvive i-Kaizer Chiefs, and khona la angimazi mina ukuthi udlala noma ubuyacabanga, uphethe ibhola la stuck ey'nyaweni zakhe, uyahamba walishiya emuva again. Orbit College yashaya i-counter attack. So izinto ey'ncane laphana i-Kaizer Chiefs, uCele yena kumele azilungise. I don't know if u-flat footed or kwenzakalani, nanokuthi akasajwayelanga ukuqala igame because isikhathi esiningi uqala from the bench. I don't know what's happening ngaye, but-ke kumele bafethu abe segamini ngempela because i-first half bengekho at all laphana egamini. Asazi ukuthi isi-heading to i-second half bazomreplace or bazoyenza kanjani. There was an opportunity created again esayidini lakaVilakazi, uVilakazi cutting in laphana eboxini. Angimazi uVilakazi ukuthi beka-hesitatelani or bekafunani, ufuna bamphushe eboxini, ufuna ipenalty elingekho, ngabe urelease ibhola waliphasa. uShabalala belivulela ibhola elilindile, unfortunately akakwazanga. Poor decision from umfana uVilakazi, but khona there was a moment la, I think from 23 minutes or around 22 to 27 minutes, i-Kaizer Chiefs beyi-relaxile. Orbit College, i-Kaizer Chiefs i-dominateile igame, but leyo form 3 minutes nyana i-Orbit College beyi-comfortable on the ball, iloku idlala i-Kaizer Chiefs ingaba-press kakhulu. Guess what, uRamphahlele ubani, uRama vele walibamba ibhola walisquare. I-Kaizer Chiefs yakwazi ukudiverta to i-corner, but that was a nervy moment from i-Kaizer Chiefs because they wanted to catch them very flat-footed. So njalo be up, like give your all, i-energy ibonisa, hayi ukuthi ngoba seniyalida ni-drop i-energy. No, that was just bad for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Yazi ziningi izinto masizibheka from i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu kumele bayi-improve as much as baya-leader, but kumele bazi-improve. I-moment from, angazi ukuthi uShabalala naye maybe kayi-3 uluze ibhola because u-undecided. Angazi ukuthi ucabanga kakhulu mephethe ibhola, ufuna ukwenza too much, beat a player, aphinde futhi afuna ukwenza too much, agcine seliluzile ibhola. Into ayenza each and every game uShabalala. So I think kumele afocuse more on ukurelease ibhola early, adlalise ama-players wakhe than ukuthi alihold ibhola kakhulu cause isikhathi esiningi ufuna ukwenza too much uma liphethe laphana ibhola. I-good player siyamazi, but just release the ball early. But the coolest thing ukuthi-ke baye ku-half time be-leader. That's the good thing for i-Kaizer Chiefs laphana, into right kakhulu. I think there was another big opportunity for bafowethu uShabalala. Why? Benza mistake laphana e-Orbit College. Is out of position ugoalkeeper. uShabalala uyacabanga laphana and then ube slowly defender lakwazi ukurecover ibhola-ke laya straight ku-goalkeeper. So bekumele acabange nje fast but akakwazanga ucabanga fast. Ngifuna ukungena kumthetho. I don't know, like for me kuyangihlekisa kwesinye isikhathi uma ngibukela umthetho. As much as umthetho ayi-hard worker laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, at the moment, like for the past few games, is the best player for i-Kaizer Chiefs. But maningi kakhulu ama-moments kule game lena futhi uyaluwina ibhola aliluze, noma phasi opponent angakwazi ukuphasa kahle, akekho comfortable meliphethe laphana ibhola ey'nyaweni. Uzoluza alwine immediately, a-recover, abonise i-strength, like uyakwazi ukulwina but he is not a good passer of the ball. Unfortunately, ku-Kaizer Chiefs ba-expecta yena kakhulu ukuthi kwamanye ama-moments even aye phambili nokumbona ashaya i-pace laphana segijima nebhola uya phambili but akanayo iplan yokuya phambili. That is why uma ngipredict i-line-up early i-Kaizer Chiefs ngithe if i-Orbit College ngeke i-attack-e kakhulu i-Kaizer Chiefs, i-Kaizer Chiefs kumele iqale liseyingolebo hang maboy if ifuna ukontrola ibhola because ibhola bazolibamba but-ke bazoba neplan na if babamba ibhola kakhulu. For example, umthetho ngoba akekho comfortable ebholeni, so bazobhalansa kanjani, benze kanjani in terms of ukucontrol ibhola, bamake sure ukuthi isikhathi esiningi balibambile likubo, bangaliluzi kalula because I mean umthetho uzolwina ibhola but ikaliluze immediately. But he's not a bad player because of umsebenzi wakhe uyawenza wokumark, but inkinga isekutheni a-release ibhola, akwazi ukuthola ama-teammate wakhe, akwazi ukwadlalisa. Once wazama ukulungisa kuleyo department, angaba ngcono kakhulu bafethu, anga-contribute kakhulu for i-team. Kaizer Chiefs ingadla kakhulu ngaye if angakwazi ukurecover ibhola fast, akwazi ukushaya i-good pass, Kaizer Chiefs ingadla kakhulu. But unfortunately-ke is not well equipped ukuthi akwazi ukudlala leso style leso. Kwamanye ama-game abamdingi umthetho, abamdingi every game bafethu, abamdingi every game. Bamdinga kulama game lawa abaziyo ukuthi okay bazodlala ne-midfielder strong and then umthetho vele uzobawinela amabhola amaningi. Not every game ukuthi umthetho kumele abe ku-first starting lineup. He has been good for i-Kaizer Chiefs in terms of winning the balls, yes, but laba controller khona i-ball position kakhulu, why do you feel the need ukuthi udinga umthetho? But he is not a bad player, but uluza kakhulu ibhola. Danko bafethu, asiyeni ku-second half, so yibona second half ukuthi abafana bazodlala kanjani.